Hello everyone, welcome to the S3 Cloud Hub. In this video, we will learn how to configure a self-hosted runner in GitHub Actions. I will guide you step by step, so stay with me through the video. Let's get started with the demo. So first of all, open your GitHub repository. Now I am using a simple repository for this demo. So go to the settings and you will see many options. Navigate to the action, then click on runners. You will see a new self-hosted runner button. So go ahead and click on that. Now select the operating system according to your device. So I have MacBook, so I will select a Mac OS, then choose a ARM64. Here are the commands that we need to run in our terminal. So let's open the terminal and choose the file directory for this runner. Now go to the commands and copy the first command, then paste it in our terminal. Now copy this alt command and paste it like this. It may take a few time for the download. So now copy the next command and paste it in our terminal. So now it will ask for your runner group name. So press enter for default. Then give the name of runner and give the name yes runner. Then press enter. Again enter and runner successfully added. So enter the name of a work folder. I will go through slash work. Okay. And now copy the last command to start our runner and paste it in our terminal. Okay. So now our runner is started. So to see, go to the settings and again go to one runners. Here you can see our GS runner is now active. Okay. Now go to the action. Then open your YAML file and we will make some changes for our self runner in our YAML file. Okay. Now you can see runs on in build section. So just write here self hosted. Okay. Then click on commit changes. Now go to the actions and our build process has started and you can also see it in our runner. Okay, so go on runner and click on the GS runner. Now you can see our building process has been started in our runner also. So it may take a few time. So wait for a while. Now our building process has completed. So by following these steps, you can set up your self-hosted runner for GitHub Actions. So thank you for the watching the video. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and like the video.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.